Carmen usually eats dinner out of this bowl. Today, I'm gonna give her her same portion dinner in that bowl. Why? Yeah, I don't know. Oh man, I have to add to her dog food container. It's not gonna be enough to fill up her usual portion. She's like, hey, what's going on in there? I know the sound my food container makes. Gotta fill up your container, dog. Oh no! Well, I hope this is exciting because I have to wash this dish now. Oh man, I had a feeling this wouldn't be interesting. All the food is gone. It wasn't that interesting. I might take her for a walk. Since it's nice today. But I gotta wash this bowl first. It's covered in dog saliva. Filming my dog eating.